Right, let's have a look around here then. I broke into the hotel. People are incredibly friendly here. I walked into reception, just said, I'm from next door. Can I have a wander around? And yeah, sure. There's lots of Asians staying here, from the looks of it. I've only seen Indian people so far. Pizza corner. Oh wow, look at that pool. Oh, pool table. We need one of them in our hotel. What's up there? Let's go see. Still not sussed out where that river is. I can hear it. I know it's down there somewhere. The landscape is stunning. Our place is just the other side of those villas. It is nice here, but it's nowhere near as nice as where we're staying. The Kumaneka is much nicer. But I'm guessing this place is much cheaper. That's got to be a rice terrace, hasn't it? Let's see if I can zoom in. Yeah, that's got to be a rice terrace. Trees here. And all flowers. It's stunning.